Yeah, them ass. Hey, you can catch me with a bad bitch doing 80 on the freeway, running to the cash, bitch. Talk crazy, bitch. Check the lips before I slide down. Clip longer than a broomstick. We stay ready. Bullets hotter than the hotter ready. Egg show, bitch. Who can I fuck? She said whenever you ready. But it's cash on the floor. They ain't got time for no hoes. I'm just trying to reach my goal. Graduate to get the fuck on. Y'all niggas chasing hoes, man, that shit is so old. Chain frozen like this bitch got a cold. Couple niggas switched up, I just kept on pros. Remember had niggas running like somebody knows. They're my own with fuck or Uber, I can get you gone. Chopper company knocking niggas down like Donna knows.
Okay, yeah, gang shit. Take a nigga chain shit, break a nigga face shit, pull it from the waist shit. Okay, now I took his body crushed, no stuck. You out of luck, sir, and rip block. I'll fuck your bitch with this cock. Fam said they want you gone. Now he in the box, 2 2 2 3s at his dome. Had him looking crazy. Nah, niggas Xing is he gone? Maybe money flowing through, full clip, blue strip, back flip, big sticks, hollow tips at his brain. Bang, bang, his brains hang. Bang. Okay, I cook beef, so if it come and go, niggas don't want beef, yeah, they already know. Yeah, money flow, my bitch glow. I'ma change the game. If you a lane, say fuck the fame. On any beat I go insane. Pull up, shred the scene, hit the road, then blow. Cloud 9, grind time, time to shine. Money fooky, big twos, never guess it's still here. That's a blessing, gutter life, grind tight, hustle right, don't give a fuck. Put the chopper to a nigga, watch him give it up. Okay, yeah. How you get hoes and you don't got no phone? Dusty broke nigga, still standing his mama home. And you fucking grown. Nasty nigga, better watch your tone. Fire up, big 40 and you get fucking blown.